If you guys have been following me on my social media, you people know, right? Last week I was in Singapore. It was a 3 to 4 day very fun trip organized by Lenovo Legion, and they basically handpicked a couple of creators from India, I think 6 or 7 creators, and flew us to Singapore to showcase their upcoming gaming launch products, which included a couple of awesome gaming laptops, some handheld gaming consoles, and a lot more, which I'm not gonna reveal right now. You people will have to watch my vlogs for all the information. It was like super awesome, guys. And not only this, as I've told you, a couple of other creators also came from different regions, and we did lots of fun collabs, which you'll get to see in this video. So make sure to watch it till the end. It was a super fun session, guys. So as I've told you, it was like a 3 to 4 day trip, and first day when we landed in Singapore, it was basically like a chill day. We just caught up with the entire Legion APAC team and also met other creators, and basically were like exploring the city, guys. The main event was actually held the next day. So as soon as we checked in our hotel, we threw our bags and directly left out to explore the city. We went to lots of famous places in Singapore. We saw Singapore's Merlion, Marina Bay Sands, Olympic Walk, Gardens by the Bay, Singapore Flyer, and a lot more interesting places. So that was pretty much it for our day 1 in Singapore city. And next day was the main Lenovo Legion event. Good morning, guys. Day 2 of our Singapore trip. We just woke up. Right now we are going to lobby to have a breakfast, and after that, today is the day we'll be going to Lenovo's main event, guys. So event hall is almost like 20-25 minutes away from our hotel room. Everything bus is like pre-programmed for all the creators. So we'll be catching up in the lobby once we're all set, and from there we'll be going to the event. Right now, let's quickly head over down and have a breakfast. So my hotel room is on 16th floor. And the breakfast, I believe, is on the 12th floor. Breakfast is like super occupied right now. We don't have an extra table. Guys, this was totally unexpected. Look who we met at breakfast. Now, I don't need to give any introduction, only you people already know who he is. He's very popular creator from Tamil Nadu, A2D channel. You want to say something to our audience?
Yeah, faster. Hi soldiers, if some soldiers are there, then comment hi soldiers.
You can let us know in the comment section.
In the comment section. And I've been watching his videos from like 2016. I really like his works. And
thank you, means a lot.
I suggested a few video contents.
I actually got to know Nanda from you people only in the comment section. Couple of years back, you people asked me like, hey, you have to collaborate with A2D, and finally it's happening today. That too in Singapore. Such an unexpected turn of events, right? Crazy, I would say.
Also, you people can expect a video like Vimal x A2D, something kind of
Yes, sure. We'll definitely work on that. Maybe something PC related. It'll be fun, right? Definitely. Meet Manas. He's from Lenovo India team. He'll be accompanying us for Lenovo's event. So Manas, you have any words for us? What to expect for today's event?
We are very excited about the entire event, right? And what we are going to showcase to the world. And let's see how it goes. I think the fans are going to love it.
I am very excited for this.
Yes.
We just boarded the bus and we are on way route to our event. It's almost like 20-25 minutes walk through. Anyways, I'll just give you like a tour of Singapore city. Have a look at these beautiful shots. And we are finally at the event hall right now. We are heading up to catch up with the rest of the creators. Lot of creators have come from India, guys. So we'll be catching up with a couple of gamers as well, and also tech creators. It's going to be a very fun session today. So let's get moving. Hey Joanna, good morning. So where are we at? What is this place called as?
Singapore Flyer.
Oh, look at that. We'll be going there also. Oh, hi, event looks awesome. So time right now is around 9:30, 9:45ish, and the event starts at sharp 10 o'clock. Till then we have, some free time left. We'll go catch up with the other creators and stuff and have fun. Hello, good morning.
Hello. Actually, what's up? Yes.
Tech Bombard.
7.
So guys, we are finally here at Lenovo's event, something special happening today, and we've got a huge crowd from India, all popular tech creators. So why don't we start from left? So Shivam, quick question for you. What gear are you carrying for this trip and for the event?
I'm carrying iPhone 15 Pro for the videography and S23 Ultra for photography.
Bus, very simple.
Yeah, and I have DJI mic with me, but I haven't get it from my bag right
Perfect, perfect. मतलब एकदम light.
now. एकदम लाइट, ज़्यादा भारी वारी मामला नहीं है. मजे लेने आया यार.
Yeah, that is the main thing. So Shaz, why don't you say about yourself? What are you carrying?
Yeah, I am a tech creator from Kerala. Hi guys. I am carrying actually two things actually. One is a new DJI Pocket 3 and ZV E1.
What about the lens?
Lens is 20mm G lens, f1.8,
Okay.
and a DJI mic. This is DJI mic, the first version,
Okay.
and this is the new version, the mic 2, which comes with the Pocket. So I'm carrying both.
Nice.
I don't know, it's a overkill maybe. Anyways, I'm like, let's just not take, use my phone to take content. So yeah.
Nanda, go on.
I'm just having this guy and DJ. Only this, not even receiver. I'm recording externally. That's it. This is the one. And also, I'm a PC guy. I don't go over phones. Actually, I'm using my old OnePlus 7T till date with replace the battery. that's from Chinese supplier.
Modesty, I would say.
Okay, that's it.
That's it.
I took like case on Mark 4,
Okay.
but I left in the room.
Did you forget?
No, I
you didn't want
intentionally.
it that-
Yeah. Why should like this is enough. This
Enough,
is okay.
enough. So we still had like 20-30 minutes before the event started. Basically we were waiting for like everybody to come in and settle down, and let me tell you, creators and media came from all over the world, including India, Philippines, Indonesia, Vietnam, and a lot of other countries. It was really fun catching up with all the creators from different areas and had like super fun session, guys. So once everybody came and settled down, finally Lenovo's event kicked off, and we got some presentations from Leon and also Clifford from the Lenovo team. They gave us some insights at what is exactly happening in the company, and also showed us like basically glimpse at their upcoming gaming launch products, some very interesting gaming laptops, Legion Go and also Legion glasses, and a lot of other interesting products. Unfortunately, I cannot reveal lot of information about these products in this video for you people because everything was under embargo. But do not worry, once the embargo lifts, you will be getting complete details including unboxings, reviews, performance, benchmarks, everything on our channel. So stay tuned and keep watching all of these details. So once the presentations were done, they opened the demo zone areas where we actually got our hands on at Lenovo's Legion Go upcoming handheld gaming console and also their Legion glasses, guys. And these were two of the main highlights and my favorite items that I found during this event. Legion Go is like a portable handheld gaming console, brings like console quality gaming to the size of your hands. Unfortunately, as I've told you, I cannot reveal or talk about the specs or any kind of details about this product in this video, but one thing I can say is it was awesome, guys. Mind-blowing experience, I would say. And not to miss out Lenovo's Legion glasses as well. These are kind of like AR glasses, I would say, that will give you like a theater like large screen floating right in front of your eyes once you put on the glasses, and you can basically connect these glasses to any Type-C device, either your laptop, your smartphone, or directly to your Legion Go also, and play games in a next level experience. So this is something you'll definitely have to wait for a detailed video on our channel. So make sure to subscribe and hit that notifications bell icon so you can immediately watch it as soon as I post the content in the upcoming days. And we are finally back to my hotel room. It was a really busy day but had lots of fun, especially at the event. And after the event, you people saw, right, we went to Singapore Flyer, which is that basically giant wheel which will give you a complete tour of the Singapore city from a very height position, guys. It was like a really beautiful scene. Had a lovely day. Anyways, we came back to the hotel, right? We actually got a special surprise package from Lenovo in my room. It was already placed at my room, but unfortunately I didn't get any time to unbox and see what was actually inside that package yesterday because we had a lot of traveling up and down to the event place and my room, right? Now finally I can relax. I have a little bit of time. So today right now I'll basically unbox and show you what we actually got inside this package. This is definitely a huge package. It says Lenovo Legion plus Intel, but doesn't actually specify what's inside this. Now that is making me quite curious. Anyways, let's quickly unbox it. Oh, look at this. We actually have a nice invite from the brand. It says, Vimal, welcome to Singapore. Get ready to experience a new dimension of play with Lenovo Legion. See you tomorrow. Okay, I've told you, right? Tomorrow also we have some interesting sessions and events lined up from the company. Oh, look at this. Looks like some sort of gift package. Nice. We actually have a diary, I believe, from Lenovo and Intel. Pretty nice. And be quite useful for me. You also have a pen. Nice quality pen. I actually needed this. ID card holder. Lenovo Legion branded. Premium quality stuff. Look at the whole chamfered edges as well. And lastly, you also have a Legion branded tag. And below that looks like we have some more stuff and goodies. Okay, very nice cap. Legion branded cap. So let me just put it on. All black look with just a clean Legion logo. How do I look? Hey, it's actually quite comfortable. Nice. Thank you, Lenovo, for this nice cap, souvenir. We also have a t-shirt over here. I hope it's my size. Okay, definitely looks slightly larger than my size. Until I wear it, we're not going to know the size and fit. And you also have a free water bottle from Lenovo Legion. And that's it, guys. Time to wrap it up. I'm also very tired right now. I'll just clean up all this stuff over here, sort out some things, copy all the videos that I shot on my camera into my laptop. And after that, I'm just gonna crash in my bed, sleep, and I'll wake up tomorrow for breakfast only. So I'll catch you people in my next video. Good night.